Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and in this video you are learning Elementor. So guys, in the first video I demonstrated you that how you can install Elementor and how you can use it in the basic way. So guys, now our in this video particularly I will show you that how you can uh, use header and footer. So if you go to this page, in the home page particularly, here you will see there is site settings. We have already done that in the site settings. So in this one, but what we need actually to customize that, right? Now let's go back here and then see here there is an option theme builder. Inside the theme builder, you see if you put the mouse here on header and footer, it says upgrade, means this is not for, and not only that, single page, all these are paid, means it is not free at all. So you have to buy this plugin. So if you go to Elementor Pro website and click here, see pricing. For a developer sometimes it is very costly, right? Like this you can see. So that's why there is some way out. I will show you that how we can use Elementor header and footer. So now come back to the admin, and now we will go to plugin, and then let's search here Elementor header. Now you can see here the option, it says ultimate add-ons for Elementor, formerly Elementor header and footer. So now what we will do, just click on here, we will install this. This one is particularly if you don't want to purchase and still you want to work with Elementor, because by default, as you just noticed, that there is no option of header and footer. So now activate it, and then so let's close it. Now this one is added here. Okay, so now this one is installed. In the left side you can see here header and footer. Go to here, and now you can create here custom header. So now let's, and not only that, you can create other header also. For example, in the home page, if you want to display different header, in the inner pages you want to display different pages, so that is also possible here. Just simply name it as header and then edit with Elementor. So now click here, and then Elementor will open just like other pages. Now click here, and we can take flexbox also, no problem. Here simply what we will do, this layout is fine, click here, and then heading. So basically not heading, what we need actually, we are going to create a 3-column header. Okay, so let's go to here grid, and then let's select this option in the left side. Okay, so now in the left side just click here and take image as a logo. We will select here, or you can select any one of the images. For example, I'm going to here, and I'll select any smaller image, say this is larger. Okay, suppose I'm going to select this one as a logo, and here this image, if you click on here, now you can see how do you want to display it, smaller logo or larger. You can see this small one is displaying here, caption none, link none. Okay, yeah, link we can give here custom URL. That means what? After clicking, where it will go? It will go to the home page, right? So you can put here link as well. So that's it in this. Now in the center section, if you want to display some message, say like this, a 50% discount, okay. And now in this text, let's go to style, make it center, and then we will give some padding from top. Go to advanced and then padding, deselect this, we want from top only, right? So this way we can put like something like this, and select the width as full width. So in this one, now in the left side, right side, let's try to find here social icons, okay. So automatically it will display you the social icon. You can customize, you can give different link and how you want, rounded, square, okay. So all the options are there. Circle, you can see there are different options for social media icons, and columns, so these are not required. Let's keep it one. Oh, if you want to see display vertically, so it is 3 columns, right, in the center. And yeah, so once again, if you want padding just like this from top, just deselect it and put some padding, so it will display in the center. Now let's come back to here content, and then if you click this, that means what? You are clicking on the entire box, okay, here. So it is displaying here how the layout is grid. If you need flex box, so let's keep it grid, and then box, so we need full width, and grid outline is not required, okay, but this is for just displaying purpose, no problem. Okay, and now let's display here menu also. So click here plus sign, and then here it will be grid, so single row we will select, click here, and then single row inside this, here navigation menu, just drag it. And since we don't have any menu, that's why currently that is why it is displaying there. Enable schema support, okay. So here you can see, since we don't have any menu, that is why it is not displaying there, or else it will, the main menu it will display here, okay. Now the second thing is, you can once again drag it to the bottom, so that you know it will show the top, and the menu will show here in the bottom. So there are different layout, horizontal, how it will display, open menu, sub menu also. So all these options are there. In the mobile version it will display hamburger. Alright, so there is horizontal padding, we will see that later once the menu comes. So okay, now our header is done. Now we will do it publish, okay. Now come back to admin again, let's create one footer also. So go to here and then header footer. Now we have created this header, so you can see the shortcut is also generated. I will show you that how we can use this in our template. Now let's go to create here one footer, name it as footer, and then edit as Elementor. Apart from that, if you need after header, after footer, you can do also that, but for the time being we are just using a footer. And then we can of course select this as Canva, and then select Elementor to and here once again we will take 3 columns like this, so that you know in the this one we can write something. Let's take text editor, we can write here about us, then about contact, who we are, like this. This is the heading, and here from here you can do this. If you want to go to code, then you can write here ULLI also. So that means what, you can create here nicer menu also. For example, if ULLI has been created, you can apply their CSS also. So this about is done. Now next, once again go to here text editor, and then once again just let's go to here and copy like this. So we'll write it at services. So this is the heading, and in the right side same way we will take this text editor, and then here also we will write as contact us. Okay, so guys, this way this is the header, footer and all that. So go to here, and then full width, you can see it is coming as a full width, and then grid outline is not required. There are 3 columns, of course we need 3 columns. Now go to styling, and then here background color we can select as black. Okay, so gradient not required, so just simply we will take color. If you want image, then you can take image also, but in this case we will select black color. Okay, so like this. Now you can see the color is displaying here as a black. Alright, so now if you need padding, then you can do that also. You can see from left side it needs some padding. So left, from left side we need some padding like this. Okay, so guys, it's very basic, but the footer is also done. So we have created successfully header and footer. Now the time is how to display this footer and header into our main website. So now come back to our earlier when you created this. Once again, let's close all these things here. Plugins, not plugin actually. So inside this page, this is our, so let's change it to home page. Let's name it as home page, it will be better. This one also home. Okay, next, and template, of course Canva it will be. So this is our home page. Now we need to edit this home page. Okay, let's close all this. Okay, so let's open this as inside edit Elementor. This is footer. Let's close this as well. Now edit Elementor, and here once again inside Elementor, let's refresh it. Here we will go to this header and footer. We have these two. Now come to here, and we want to display here one header. Okay, here you can take this flash box also, no problem. Here we will take a short code. Okay, now the short code is displaying. In this case, header short code in our case is this. Okay, so just put here header short code, that's it. And flash box, what is coming this, because box full width still. Okay, let's take it grid. So we need to take this grid 3 columns, and the row will be 1. No, column will be also 1. Only then it will display full. What is happening? Yes, now it is perfect. So this is header, this is our main heading. So now publish, heading is done. Similarly we will take here footer. Okay, here grid, and we need single column here. This one also 1. Take here short code, and then insert short code. This time we will paste here the footer code. This, guys, this is done as well. Now publish, and your very simple, but your home page is ready. And so far you have learned that how you can create a very simple website using Elementor. Let's see, this is our header and this is footer. Okay, so basically in footer I think we didn't select full width, that's why it is displaying like this. So we need to go to here inside the footer and then not boxed, full width, save, go to here, refresh it, and now guys you can see it is displaying full width. I know it's a very basic, but at least you have learned that how you can create header, you can create footer, how you can create center section, and different elements you can create these. So guys, that's it in this video. In the next video we will see the advanced section, and also step by step I will also show you how to use Elementor Pro. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.